Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Gufran Hawari. Today I will tell you about Old English and Middle English. The English you see every day has been traveled more than 1,000 years to reach you. If you open a text from 18th century, you probably cannot read single line because it looks like completely foreign language. In this video, I will look at the two early space of English. Is it Old English and Middle English, learning from the framework laid out by linguistics by Ellie Fogeldern in her book History of English Language. Old English, often called the Anglo-Saxons, was used roughly in 4005 until 1150 CE. Before its began when the Germanic tribe from the continental Europe, the Anglo-Saxon and Jutes migrate to island of Britain. Von Galdern note the English is fundamentally a West German language that developed from the dialect this group brought with them. The most striking feature of all English is the inflection system. Noun, adjective, pronoun change from the depending on their grammatical function in sentence, such as like a Latin or modern German. The word stone, for example, could appear as stand, or stands, depending whether it functions as a subject, object, or plural form. All English vocabulary is largely Germanic. Basic words like man, weave, nine, or god to go back to this period. Latin also entered the language through the arrival of the Christianity in 7th century, bringing the ecclesiastical term like priors and bishop. The Viking invasion from the Scandinavia between 8th and 10th century left the equally significant mark. Old Norse contribute everyday words that are still used today, like sky, egg, they, them, and their. Von Goldern argued that contact with Old Norse was not one of the earliest forces to push Old English word from the simpler inflectional system. The most famous Old English text is the epic Beowulf, estimated to have been composed between 8th and 11th centuries. Its opening line with "Have Gurdum," meaning listen, we have heard the glory of the spear dance king. It's like different language entirely because these many ways it is. This shift Old English to Middle English did not happen overnight. The biggest turning point was the Norman conquest in 1066 when the William conquered from the Normandy. France defeated the King Harold at the Battle of Hastings. They even reshaped English in the way still visible today. The roughly 2nd century in 1066, Norman French served the official language for the royal court, law, and the courts in England. As the result, English absorbed thousands of French words. Von Golden pointed to the pattern word nothing. Word connect to the power and aristocracy tend to come to the French, while the word from everyday rural life stay Germanic. Cow, pig are Germanic word used by the farmer who raised the animal before become from French, the language of the noble who ate them at dinner. The biggest structural change in the Middle English was the collapse of the inflectional system. The complex grammatical ending of the Old English began disappearing, and English shifted toward a fixed word order, specifically subject, verb, object. The pattern we still follow today. This did not happen because the single cause. It's come from the combination of the language context, population, movement, and social change. The most iconic writer of the Middle English period is Geoffrey Chaucer, who whose Canterbury Tales was writing around the 30, 1390s. His language is far more accessible than Old English. The opening lines read, "When that's April this horses shoot, the dwarf much heads first the root." Many words are recognizable when the with the unfamiliar spelling, which tell you how far the language had moved toward something closer modern English. From Old English to Middle English, the language changed because of the invasion, cultural contact, and shift in political power. Von Golden core argument is the history of English cannot be spread from the social and political history. Language is not just communication tool, it is the record of who held power and who come into the contact with whom. Okay, thank you for the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.